Thank you, Ms. Ruby Hermo. Once again, I'm Melody Hernandez, and I'm going to discuss the retirement programs and Republic Act. Retirement program. You have spent years working for the government. GSIS ensures that you are sufficiently rewarded when you finally decide to take that big step towards retirement. The GSIS offers various retirement programs depending on the qualification of the member. GSIS has retirement packages generally acknowledged to be one of the most generous in the country, ensuring financial freedom for its members, especially after they leave the service. Retirement under RA 8291, 5-year lump sum or cash payment with instant pension, future personal reward. When availing of the retirement program under RA 8291, only two things should be considered: age and the length of service. To qualify for this retirement mode, 1. The retired must have rendered at least 15 years of service and must be at least 60 years of age upon retirement. 2. She must not be a permanent total disability pensioner. Unlike other retirement modes, the last 3 years of service of a retiree needs to be continuous under 8291. Packages in store for you retiring members who will opt to retire under RA 8291 are entitled to either of the following. Option 1, 5-year lump sum and old age pension. Under this option, the retiree can get his or 5-year worth of pension in advance. Option 2, cash payment and basic monthly. The retiree will receive a cash payment equivalent to 18 times the basic monthly period, or BMP, payable upon retirement, and then a monthly pension for life payable immediately after this retirement age. Applications that AMC limit. The maximum amount of the application of the AMC limit. The maximum amount of the average monthly compensation, or AMC, to be used as the base for computing pension and other benefits of a member shall be the AMC limit prevailing at the time the contingencies offered. Retirement under Republic Act 660, also called Magic 87. This option provides both annuity and lifetime pension. Retiring under RA 660 requires the following. 1. The retiree's last 3 years of service prior to retirement must be continuous except in case of death, disability, affiliation, and phase out of position due to reorganization. 2. His her appointment status must be permanent in nature. 3. She must meet the age and service requirements under the Magic 87 formula. Packages in store for you. RA 660 lets you choose among the following options to let you enjoy a new beginning. Option 1. Automatic pension. Under this option, pensioners below 16 years old may choose to receive either an automatic pension for life or an option to available lump sum. Retirement under Republic Act 160 expands your GSIS premium. Retirement under Republic Act 1616 refund your GSIS premiums with this take all option at the same time get gratuity payment from your employer. RA 1616 providers for a gratuity benefit for retiring members who will qualify under this retirement mode. To qualify under the mode, a retiree must 1. Be in government service on or before May 31, 1977. Has rendered at least 20 years of service regardless of option 2. Initial 3 years lump sum for those who are at least 60 years old but at least 53 years on date of retirement. The benefit is a 3-year lump sum. Option 3. 5-year lump sum for those who are 63 to 65 years old. They can avail of a 5-year. They will receive a monthly pension like age and employment status. 3. His or her last 3 years of service prior to retirement must be continuous except in cases of death, disability, affiliation, or phase out of position due to reorganization. And for the continuation of Republic Act, let me introduce to you Ms. Rosie Paginawan.